we have the most perfect day for you. A warm hello in every sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for a contest like that. We have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. And as you can see, we've already started here. Well read, he's sorted that out. He's had a shot! He's there to make a great save.
The keeper really dug out his defence then, a magnificent effort.
That's a goal kick. Right through the middle. Oh, shooting chance! Goal! Bayern Munich! And Bayern Munich take the lead! Time and space aplenty, he was never going to miss.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't need, and they paid the price and deserved it.
And the shot! Oh, that was no routine save.
Well, as Tesco admitted, the keeper had just received an A+ grade.
Phillips brings it out to the flank, back into the middle. Goes straight through to the keeper. And it's played forward. De Ligt drives it forward. Yeah. And it's Phillips. He's got through. Shoots! It's broken loose. Another chance! It's off target and by quite a way. Anything between the sides. Score is 1-0. It's a promising ball. Chance goes for goal! And yes, it's there! They have grabbed themselves an equaliser. Oh, high quality goal. Lovely first touch, sumptuous second. And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Look, Peter, I was on the fence before the ball was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
There's a long ball. De Ligt tries to clear. He's picked him out. It's a great ball. Danger averted for now. Neymar. Oh, good take in a good area. Brings it forward. And it's Forlan. Good ball. Cleared without complication. Hernandez. It's one! A really close shave, and the last action of the first half. Fantastic excitement towards the end of the half there, and the last... Second period then underway. Here's Neymar. Needed a better pass there. Well positioned to make that interception. Forward it goes. Yeah. Beckham doesn't get the pass he's looking for. They say that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. De Ligt. Neymar. It's got through. Cut out in the nick of time. Tries to get it forward quickly. Messi. And Messi! Neymar wants to play it back. Shoots! That's going to be a goal kick. De Ligt. And he's cut it out. Dinks one in. And it's got through. He's had a go!
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
Beckham. He spotted the run and played him through. Real chance! Tries to get it clear. Goes for it! A waste.
I think a little eagerness just got the better of him. He may have been thinking about back page headlines there.
Gerrard. Yeah. He's through. He's had that. He's gone for it. There it is!
Listen, it's a massive contribution to help his team in front again, and his determination and stamina has enabled another late addition to typify his commitment from start to finish. Yeah,
Bayern Munich. What looks to be a decisive lead.
there's still a bit left in it, Peter, but they should...
Tries a shot! Really well taken goal. They have stolen level at the line. A goal of real quality. He made it look ridiculously easy.
Oh, you've got to love that. Concentration, conviction, contact, and sheer class.
So all square with almost no time remaining. And he's away.
And you can't but admire that from a player from whom we expect to come to the fore at crucial moments. Doing it, however, is another matter, and his influence just grows and grows.